Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where I'm working with you step by step through each of the ABRSM Theory grades. We're going to continue with the section B, the Alto Clef. We're going to look at the next section in that. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets that are available in US letter or A4, and they have all the information necessary and accompany each step of this series. There's also a page with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials on that website. And you can also access information about the books that I have available. I've written How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory exam for grades 4 and 5, and it's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam and when you're revising and leading up to the exam date, and also how to best make use of the time when you're actually sitting in the exam room working through your paper. So if you visit sharonbill.com, it's all there for you. If you can give me a like, that would be great, and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. There's loads more to come. I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. And so grab your nice sharp pencil, eraser and ruler, and turn with me please to page 11. Here we go, and we're going to continue with the alto clef. And so exercise 3 asks you to rewrite these extracts using the alto clef. The beginning of the first answer has been done as an example just to help get you started. And really, if you just remember that this middle line is middle C, and work out from that point onwards, use that as your anchor point, and just be careful that you don't get the octaves wrong. And so once you get started, it's quite simple really. So we'll just look at this remaining section together, and then perhaps you can have a go on your own for the next sections, and then re-access into the video, and I'll work through those to check those through with you. And so we're starting from this middle C point, and conveniently here this is C, and then just work out your intervals from there. So we're up 3 again, up a step, back down, and so from here we've gone up 1, 3, 4, 1, so we're going to need a ledger line. 3 would be the line, 4 is there, and then we're going right the way back to where we were here. So this is what we want. Down a third, get that bar line in. I'm just doing the thinking now, and then we'll put the stems on afterwards. Same note again, so that's the E above middle C, C, D, E, down a step. Here's our checkpoint, that should be middle C, so we're on the middle line so that we know that we're correct. Up a step, tie that, the tie will go over, not under, because we're going to reverse those stems. The stems will have to come down now. Rest, bar line, so just got to add the stems now. Beam those. And there we go. So have a little go at this next couple of exercises. Have a go at B and C, and then pop back into the video and I'll work through those with you. I will just warn you, watch out here, there's a change in clef, so just keep your eyes peeled. There we go. So I'm hoping you've had a go of that. I'm just going to pop these bar lines in before we get started. If I keep everything aligned, then we're not going to lose track where we've got to and lose our place. So of course we now need to write this in alto clef. So give yourself a double bar line. I always pop my centre point first and then sort of do 2 backward C's there. So the key signature now will be on this top space. Time signature is the same, and so shall we just put in forte there, that's it. Okay, so here is middle C, that's our starting point, and so we need to start below by 1 step here. So we want that and then that. We can choose whichever way we want the stems. Oh no, we need to go the stems up actually. because that one needs to go up. Okay, here we're going to have to reverse the stems though. So we're still on this middle C, but we need to sharpen it. Next door, up a step, back down a step, same note, same note. So these stems will have to come down now. Use a ruler. So now we're going to be going up 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, and then down a fifth should take us to middle C, which is our middle line, that's correct. Down a step, either way that must come up. So up 4 takes us to the E above middle C, C, D, E, that's correct. Down 5 takes us to the, oh it's not coloured in there, takes us to the A below middle C, C, B, A, that's correct. Now then, although that looks like it's going up, it's actually going down because we're going down into the bass clef, so we just need to think where we're going here. And so middle C would be here, C, B, A, G below middle C, C, B, A, G. So we've actually only gone down one step, and I think that highlights why we would use the alto clef, because we'd have to keep either using lots and lots of ledge lines or keep changing clef, and so that really does highlight why we need this new clef. It's down a step, and so we're still in the bass clef now, so down another step, up a skip, up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then this is the D above middle C, which would be here, which is 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, so we know that's correct. There we go. And that's that completed. So a bit tricky thinking there, so that should address that now. Let's have a go at this next one. Let's get some bar lines in. So just glancing through, this one is all in the bass clef. It's quite high up in the bass clef, so you can see how if the instrument goes much higher, we're going to have to start having lots and lots of ledger lines. I suppose here it's quite low in the bass clef though. Let's see what happens. Oh, we've got to move clef, haven't we, of course. So there's the middle C point. Key signature of B flats would be there. Okie dokie. So C is, middle C is there, C, B, A below, C, B, A. Once you've got started, you're okay. So we will have to tie those together. Let's put our dynamics in just so we're done. Down a third. Up a step. Staccato markings. Next door a step. And that would be the CBA, CBA, so we know we're correct. Same note, tie that. Let's put our dynamic markings in just to be thorough. Down 3, sharpen that. 1, 2, 3. Down 3 again, so we'll need a ledge line. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. That's a dotted note. Same in that bar. Tie that. Down a third, down a third. There we go. There we go, that's that complete. And so we're doing the same principle here in this next exercise. Is that the last of them? Oh no, we've got another page to go. In this next exercise, and we're just swapping clefs, and we're going from alto to treble or alto to bass and so on. And the principle remains the same, just keep in mind where middle C is. So have a go of this yourself and then re-access into the video and we'll check it through together. So we've got 4 sharps in treble clef, time signature. So let's think where we are here. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. That's the B above middle C, and so that will be there. Once we've got that point, it's not so difficult. So if you've had a go of that, we'll just work through it quickly together to double check that. So we're going up a fourth, and then we're going down a third from where we started. So that will be G, C, E, G, that's correct. Up a fourth, next door, next door, down in step, back up again, down a fourth, down again, back a step, up a third, down in step, up a sixth now, 1, 3, 5, 6, that takes us to C, an octave higher than middle C, so that's correct, down a step, and then we're up a third from that C there. There we go. Just watch your stems are going the correct way as you've now got this new clef. Let's go again on to the next one. So this time we're going from alto to bass. No key signature, time signature, rests the position the same. So we're beginning on C, B, A, G below middle C. There we go. P, P, okie dokie. So down a third, G, F, E, and then down a step, back up a step, up a third, tie that. That's a good few bars done quickly. Same note, let's just get these stems in then. Dotted. Okay, so now we're going up 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, that's the D above middle C, which corresponds, so we write up a step, back, and then back down 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, which takes us to where we were before, so that's correct. Down a step, rest. There we go. Let's see what over the page brings. So if you turn with me to page 12. Oh no, we finished. So I thought that was a lot there. There we go, that's done then. Marvellous. So we'll look at the next section in the next video, a new topic coming up. If you can give me a like, that'd be really encouraging to me. Hope that's been helpful to you. Please do visit sharonbale.com. There's lots there to help you. Please do make use of that. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel, that'd be super. Keep updated, there's lots more to come. I hope you're enjoying this just as much as I am. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.